Hello, my friends. I'm starting off a little bit closer today than I normally am while I show you what our May Crafternoon take-home kit is going to be, because it's a little bit secretive, it's a little bit special, but for this month's take-home kit, we have these absolutely adorable little wooden treasure chests. Now, that seems all well and good. You're gonna get some paint, you're gonna decorate your little treasure chest, but I think that the most special thing is like what goes inside. So I, wanted to show you kind of what we're gonna put in here before we paint it, so that, we don't ruin our beautiful artistic paint job. So what I have for you is, I've got some cute little stick-on jewels that I just feel like every treasure chest needs like a little bit of sparkle. On the inside, we've got some little erasers. I've got an alligator and a pineapple. Got some little stickers, a glittery heart, and a dinosaur. Some colorful buttons. They're not particularly useful, but I think like part of the delightful part about treasure is that it doesn't have to be particularly useful. It's just like a little secret that you have that you keep hidden and you don't tell anyone about. So I'm gonna put buttons in my treasure chest, and I'm not gonna tell anyone except for you guys that they're there. So if you're watching this video, we can all be in on the secret, but you don't have to tell anyone else what's in here. And perhaps most special of all, some little candies to go in there. Everything fits perfect. You close the lid, you put this somewhere secret, and it's just for you. It's a secret that just you know about. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some paint on this. Let's go through that journey together and see what we come up with. All right. So I've actually secretly brought my treasure chest back to my office. I'm gonna put it somewhere secret on my desk. Matt and Annalie are gonna have no idea where it is or what's inside. And you can do the same too. I did the brown paint almost looked like stain, so I really liked how it made it look kind of old. And I put pink polka dots and some jewels. I'm gonna put a couple more jewels on it just to finish it off, but I think we're done here. I think this is perfect. All right, hope you enjoy making your own little secret treasure chest. All right, bye everyone.